Hey guys, we received this Mr. Pen pencil sharpener and eraser set. These are 4-pack colorful erasers, two sharpening holes with a pencil sharpener with a manual pencil sharpener. So let me just open the box. It comes in a really nice box and there are four different colors as you can see it here. So there's a very nice eraser on the top with a cover and then two holes sharpener set. You can also collect the debris here and then easily take it out. So from the any side is okay and you can just use it. So manual sharpener with two-in-one pencil sharpener with an eraser. So it's easy to sharpen the pencil as you can see here or based on the size and then easily you can just work on it. So I'm just trying to test this. So there are two holes for 8 mm and 11 mm and you can use the eraser. A very nice quality eraser here. So you can also sharpen the jumbo pencils of 11 mm and then the eraser at the same time. So very nice set, very vibrant, nice color, and you can just collect this debris and just throw it anywhere. So all is like the purple color with the same thing, the blue and a green. So very nice sets of eraser and the sharpeners.